Nationalists and hate groups are being ordered to pay more than $2 million in their role in Charlottesville's deadly Unite the Right rally in 2017. That's what a federal appeals court says. The money would be divided between 8 plaintiffs for the physical harm and emotional distress that they endured. Maggie Glass joins us live in the newsroom with those details. Hey, Maggie.
On punitive damage in Virginia, but legal expert Tim Hafey says in this case there's a lot more to it than the dollar amount.
The case was never really about money.
Tim Hafey is an attorney, a former federal prosecutor, headed investigations for the January 6th insurrection team, and was in Charlottesville during Unite the Right.
It was much more important symbolically for that finding of conspiracy, the assignment of damages, to be a disincentive going forward for people to come to our community or any community and violate the civil rights of others.
It's been a long battle to reach this decision. Here's the backstory. Nearly 3 years ago, a jury found white supremacists guilty of conspiring to violate the civil rights of others during the Unite the Right rally.
The plaintiffs came forth one by one, talked about their experience on August 11th and 12th, and described the very real harm that that's caused.
After that, the defendants were ordered to pay $24 million. That judgment was reduced by state law.
There's a statute in Virginia that caps punitive damages at $350,000.
The question then became, is that the amount per person or total?
The federal appeals court has found that that applies per victim, per plaintiff in these cases. And yes, that has precedential value.
The judges involved in this case said in their decision, it's time to send a message about the outrageous misconduct that took place in Charlottesville.
The criminal justice and the civil justice process, sometimes the wheels turn slowly, but they do turn, and the process does move forward. And even though it's a long time coming, it's a further step toward justice.
I asked Hafey if the plaintiffs will ever receive the full amount they're owed. He says it's unlikely. Live in the newsroom, Maggie Glass, 29 News at 5.